everyone, welcome back to Clarity English Studio.
Today's topic is something we all struggle with, getting people to actually listen when we speak.
Have you ever been talking and suddenly you feel like the other person is not interested anymore?
Yeah, like they start checking their phone or looking around.
It feels awkward, right?
Very awkward and a bit frustrating too.
But here's the truth. It's not always about your English level.
Exactly. It's often about how you speak, not just what you say.
So today, we'll explore simple habits that make people stop listening.
And of course, we'll show you how to fix them.
Let's start with a very common problem, talking too much.
This happens when someone explains everything in too much detail.
For example, instead of saying something simple,
They keep adding more and more information.
and the listener gets tired.
Or confused.
Here's a bad example.
I went to the market, and then I saw my friend, and then we talked, and then
It just keeps going.
no clear point.
Now here's a better version.
I went to the market and met a friend. We had a quick chat.
Short and clear.
That's what people like.
A useful phrase you can use is, "Let me explain briefly,"
It prepares the listener.
and keeps your message focused. Next problem, speaking in a flat, boring tone.
This is called a monotone voice.
When your voice doesn't change, people lose interest.
Even if your English is perfect.
Let's try an example.
This is very important.
Now with energy.
This is really important.
See the difference?
It feels more alive.
To improve, try stressing key words.
And change your tone slightly.
Practice in front of a mirror.
Or record your voice.
Another big issue, no eye contact.
If you look away too much, people feel disconnected.
Eye contact shows confidence.
And respect.
But don't stare too much.
Just keep it natural.
Look, smile slightly, then relax.
That's enough.
Let's talk about filler words.
Words like you know, and basically.
Using them too much makes you sound unsure.
And it breaks your flow.
Example,
I think, basically, it's good.
not very confident.
Now without fillers.
I think it's a good idea.
Short and strong.
Instead of fillers, use a pause.
Silence is better than
Sometimes people stop listening because your message is not clear.
They talk, but they don't understand your main point.
Always ask yourself, what is my main idea?
Then say it early.
Don't hide it in the middle.
Example, the main point is we need to improve communication.
Clear and direct.
People appreciate that,
Another common mistake, speaking too fast.
especially when you're nervous
Fast speech is hard to follow.
and easy to ignore.
Slow down slightly.
Not too slow, just comfortable.
Pause between ideas.
Give listeners time to understand.
Good communication is not one way.
It's a two-way process.
Ask questions.
Invite responses.
Example,
What do you think about this?
this keeps people involved.
And interested.
Let's do a quick practice.
We'll say a sentence and you repeat.
I want to explain something important.
Pause and repeat.
Let me keep it simple.
Repeat again.
I'll explain this clearly.
Good job.
Imagine you're in a meeting.
You want to share an idea.
Bad version.
Long explanation, no structure, low energy.
Good version.
Here's my idea. Let me explain briefly.
Then speak clearly and confidently.
And finish with a strong point.
Let's review quickly.
Keep your message short.
Use vocal variety.
Maintain eye contact.
Avoid fillers.
Speak at a comfortable speed.
And engage your listener.
Always.
So now you know why people stop listening.
And more importantly, how to fix it.
Try these tips in your daily conversations.
Even small changes can make a big difference.
Which habit do you think you have?
Let us know in the comments.
Thanks for listening to Clarity English Studio.
See you in the next episode.